Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. This is Praveen Dure from Landerize, and in today's video, we are going to talk about how to make a sweepstakes quiz lander using Landerize, guys. It's going to be really interesting, guys. But before we go further, please mind that this is actually a brand new channel, and we really require your support. So it will be a great help for us if you could actually hit the big red subscribe button just below this video, as well as the like button for this video if you like this video, only at the end of the video, not now, guys. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and so that we can keep creating good content for you all the time. So I'll be seeing you inside today's video. Let's go.
This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
Hi everyone, welcome to today's video, guys. In today's video, we are literally going to teach you on how to make a sweepstakes quiz landing page using Landerize. It's going to be really interesting, guys. But before we proceed, let me just remind you there's actually a 14 days free trial for Landerize available right now. The link is in the description. You can actually click and claim that particular 14 days free trial. And also, let me just remind you that before we start doing anything with Landerize, right, you have to go ahead and set up Landerize, because the specialty about Landerize is sorry guys, so the specialty about Landerize is that you can straight away do your landing page and upload it up to the Amazon S3. But to do that, you need to actually set up your Landerize first. So you need to go to the getting started section. So there's like a tutorial, and step 2 and step 3 is very important. Step 2 especially is like how to set up Amazon S3 services, and step 3 is like how to connect your domain from your Amazon S3 to your Landerize. So you need to do these 2 steps very keenly, guys. This is very important. It will take you around 30 minutes to do this, but you only need to do it once. But once you have done that, then you can actually continue doing Landerize, a landing page in Landerize. So how do you do that? You need to go to my landing page, and then you hit create new landing page. So once you hit a create new landing page, what will happen is all the available templates will come here. So there's like 58 templates right now, and Landerize is adding at least 4 brand new templates every single week. So you can actually scroll down here, right? You can see all these templates are catered for a different reason, different niche, and specifically for different purposes. So what we are going to do today is we are going to show you on how to do a sweepstakes quiz landing page. So if you're gonna go sweepstakes here, so if you're gonna go sweepstakes, you're gonna see all the landing page for sweepstakes, guys. So what we're going to do today is we are going to do a quiz lander. So there's like 3 quiz landers that we can actually choose from, right? So we want to choose one of the quiz landers, and we're gonna do it. So let's go ahead and choose this one. So this one is okay, let me just tell you guys first. So each and every one of these quiz lander, they are actually catered for a different reason, guys. So even though they are for sweepstakes, they are like for different reason. We're going to take a look at each and every one of them. So let's just go ahead and name it. So I'm just going to show you guys 1 2 3 4 5 6 just going to put a random number, guys. So this particular sweepstake is actually for from Google. It's for if you want to win a Galaxy S10, iPhone X, or iPad. So this is a sweepstakes for that. And when you go back to the landing page templates, I don't know what's happening in my voice. So you go back to sweepstakes. This one is from another hand. Just going to name it. I'm just going to show you guys. This one on another hand is like a same, but it's from Facebook. That's from Google. This is from Facebook, and this is like for you to actually get your Apple iPhone X and all this kind of stuff. So this is also a Quizlander. And the final template that we have is this one, which is, oh no, sorry, every time it actually refresh. So this one is the one that I usually use, and the one that I'm going to show you guys on how to use it today. So this one is the one which is specially catered for phones. You can either be iPhone, it can be any phone. One of the reasons why I like this sweepstakes, for an example, this Quizlander, is because this is not from Google or from Facebook. So literally it will look like that one. They will have the Google symbol. Of course, you can actually remove that, and the Facebook symbol. Mostly in the quiz itself, there will be like a a lot of stuff regarding Facebook or Google and all this kind of stuff. So basically, I don't want all that. I want something which is very fresh, which is not from Google, which is not from anything. So that's why I always choose this one, and it's actually pretty much more easier to edit compared to two of the other competitors that they have, actually options that they have. For example, let's say we want to go ahead and edit for an iPhone sweepstakes, iPhone 11 sweepstakes, for example. So what you can actually do is I will show you how simple it is to actually edit. So the first thing that you want to edit is you want to edit this one over here. Stand a chance to win a iPhone 8, right? You're going to change this into iPhone 11. Simple as that. Congratulations, we have limited people in your area to participate in the short survey. Just make sure that they didn't put the spelling properly. Survey, you are pre-selected for an iPhone 11. iPhone 11. Simple as that. That's the only thing that you actually need to edit regarding the iPhone 11. And then you can actually edit this image. So this image over here, right? So you can actually go Google. You can find, like, for example, iPhone 11 PNG or something. No, I just want iPhone 11. So you can actually go ahead and find iPhone 11, something like this, nice ones like this, for example. So you can actually take this image, something which is better, like this. This is good. So you're gonna take this image, for example. You're gonna go Landerize. You're gonna browse this image, and then you're gonna paste this image. So it's gonna look like that. iPhone 11, beautiful already, right? Your page has already turned up to become really beautiful. So there will be three questions here, and three questions is very common in sweepstakes. So when we have three questions, the flow of the question is very simple. The first question will always be a filter question. The second question will be a question to instigate your feelings, to keep them very engaged. The last question is to lock the deal. So the first question is usually regarding the age or the country that you're living in. So for example, you're targeting a specific country. Let's say you're targeting people from India. So you can actually just put, do you live in India? Yes or no, binary answers. Or do you live in, for example, Australia, or let's say Malaysia, my country, right? So you're going to do you live in Malaysia? Yes or no. Simple as that. So the second question, like I told you, is to instigate feeling, is to instigate feeling. And the most important feeling that we usually instigate is guilt. We want to make them feel, people feel really bad. So that is the usually the second question does. So do you own an Apple product? We want to make them feel really bad. Some of them might own it, some of them, if the for the ones that own it, we're actually instigating the excitement towards them. But mostly people will not own it, and that those people who didn't own it, they will actually say like, oh my god, I didn't have any iPhone, I don't have any Apple product. So this kind of stuff is what makes them sad, and this actually instigate the guilt within them. So that's what we want to do. So no, the final question is always the deal locking question. So this question usually comes in a form like, for example, what you will do with what you will do if you win this award, who are you going to give this award to, what is your favorite Apple product, and all this kind of stuff. So this is a question which is already preset, so there's nothing much you need to do here. This question is actually very perfect already. So you can actually see the first question, the second question, third question. There's nothing much you need to do. And that's it. That's about it. You have actually successfully created a lander, guys. So that is what I really like about this landing page. There's nothing much you need to do. Everything is like preset. Everything is like what we say. They've already optimized this landing page really nice, guys. So the only thing left for you to actually do is go to the background color, and then you can actually tweak with the background color a little bit. Try to make the background color a little interesting. You want to change all this color, you can do a lot of stuff you can actually do, guys. So, and then you can also finalize it by go to the gear icon, rename the page title. So usually this kind of thing will be like win, something like this, answer and win your free your your iPhone today, something like this. Or you can actually do something like congratulations Congratulations, you are so close to you're so close to get your iPhone today, something like this. This is how the title actually works. So you can actually rename the title, something like that. And finally, you can actually change the destination URL. So this destination URL is what you actually get from volume. So you need to go ahead to volume. You need to go to the gear icon in volume, and then you need to go to the tracking URLs in volume. There's actually what we call as click URL. So that is the click URL you're going to take and paste it here. So make sure that you watch my live videos, live build videos and everything. I will actually show you the whole process. So once you have done that, just hit change links. It will give you this prompt, and most probably the whole page will actually get reloaded. Yes, it will get reloaded. So once it has been reloaded, all you got to do is just hit the publish button, and then they will ask you to choose a domain. Remember, I told you previously itself, you need to actually connect a domain, and to Landerize, this is where you set up. If you do not do the setting up, this is the part that you'll actually get stuck. And if you didn't do this, whatever that you just did, it's going to go in waste. You are just wasting your time. So you make sure you set up everything first, and then you do this. So just choose a domain. Usually you only have one domain. Just choose a domain and hit publish. So once you hit publish, it will give you a prompt like this. For example, successfully exported to Amazon S3. This is your link, and this link is what you're going to go and paste it within your volume when you're building your lander with volume. So that's how easy it is to actually do stuff, guys. So let's say we don't want to do iPhone, right? We want to do Samsung. Same thing. It's so easy to edit this particular template. So just gonna do Samsung S10. Samsung S10, you're pre-selected. You're just going to change this one. It's going to change into Samsung S10. And then what you're going to change is you're going to go Google, right? Now you're going to go Samsung S10. We're going to show you how fast we can actually change that. So you're going to go this. I think we can actually save this image. Yes, we can actually save this image. So you're going to go, you're going to upload the image of Samsung S10. So once you upload the Samsung image of the S10, the question will be the same for the first one. Filtration question: do you live in Malaysia? Yes. Do you own any Apple product? You're gonna do you own any Samsung products? That's it. Yes or no? What is your favorite Samsung product? That's the only thing that we're gonna do. Or what's your favorite Samsung? Yeah, it's going to be Samsung product. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do like uh, Samsung product. So you're gonna go and Google, for example, list of popular Samsung products. So you're gonna just take this one, all this, and you're gonna paste it here. Simple as that. Like, let me just show you guys how simple it is. Samsung Galaxy S series, going to be Samsung X Flip, it's going to be Samsung Note Lite, it's going to be Samsung S10 Lite. So you're just going to do something like this, which is very simple, and you have done with your lander. So you can actually shift this between different type of phones. So this is why I like this lander so much, and basically that is how you go ahead and make a sweepstakes quiz landing page with Landerize, guys. So that's about it from me from today, guys. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I really hope that today's video was beneficial for you. If you want to use Landerize, there's actually a 14 days trial, free 14 days trial for you to actually use. The link is in the description below as well. So claim your 14 days trial today. And because this is a new channel, I really need you guys support to please help us support this channel. It would really mean so much for us. Go ahead and hit the big red subscribe button, the like button for this video, as well as the bell notification, so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and so that we can keep creating good content for you all the time. So I'll be seeing you in the next one. Till then, tata, bye bye.